In this video, I'll be showing you how to do a front post double crochet. This is a little bit of an intermediate stitch, but it is used in a lot of projects, so it's a good one to know. To begin, we're going to get a slip knot on our hook and then chain. I'm going to go with my usual 15 chains for an example here. And I'll be skipping the first 2 chains and double crocheting into the 3rd chain from our hook. And then we're going to double crochet all the way across to get us a foundation row of double crochet. Now I'm at the end of my foundation row. I'm going to go ahead and chain 2 and turn my work over, and we'll start beginning the front post double crochet in this row. To do that, we're going to yarn over, and see here, this is the first post. So we're going to insert our hook behind that post and bring our hook behind and through to the other side of that double crochet. Then yarn over and bring that all back behind the post and back up. Then yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Yarn over again and pull through the last 2 loops on your hook. So as you can see, it's like we wrapped a double crochet around that post. Let's work on the next one. Once again, we'll yarn over and then insert our hook behind that post. Then we'll yarn over and pull through and up. We're going to yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. Here's a slow motion example for you. Yarn over, go behind the post, yarn over, pull through and up, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2. And just keep working that all the way across until you get to the end of the row for practice. This is a very intimidating stitch, but once you get the hang of it, it's not that difficult. So don't be scared the next time you see a front post double crochet in a pattern. Bookmark this video for reference and come back to it if needed. If this video has been helpful, please be sure to smash that like button for me. Have a great day, everyone.